Hello everybody! Today I would like to explain different categories in term babies and different categories in preterm babies. First of all, we will start with the definition of term pregnancy and term baby. So, when we say term infant, it means that baby was born at gestational age. The abbreviation is gestational age, more than 37 completed weeks of gestation, yeah, but less than 42 weeks. So what does it mean? Term pregnancy, it lasts more than 37 completed weeks and less than 42 completed weeks. So 37 weeks here we can define as 37 07, and here less than 42, or be precise, 41 67. This addition means days. So 37 completed weeks and no days more. And here 41 completed weeks and 6 more days of the next 42nd week. If gestational age in some baby is 42 completed weeks, it means 4207. 7 is a week, the whole week. So it means post-term baby. In terms of gestational age, we can define term pregnancy or term infants, preterm infants, less than 37 07, and post-term infants with gestational age equal or more than 4207 weeks. It's one classification. Preterm babies in their turn can be categorized in 3 categories according to their birth weight. Mean birth weight in normal babies, it is approximately 3.1, 3.5 kg. In preterm babies, birth weight is less than, in most babies, less than 2.5 kg in preterm babies. And according to birth weight, all preterm babies, they could be categorized into babies with low birth weight, very low birth weight, and extremely low birth weight. Among low birth weight babies, sometimes we can find even term babies with gestational age more than 37 weeks. But most low birth weight babies refer to preterm. In this category, birth weight is less than 2.5 kg. In very low birth weight babies, birth weight is less than 1.5 kg, And the extremely low birth weight babies, they have their initial weight less than 1 kg. These babies are preterm babies, almost without any exclusion. Among this category, I just repeat my previous information. Among this category, we can find babies born term, but small for gestational age. All newborns can be categorized into 3 categories. So newborn can be appropriate for gestational age, or large for gestational age, or small for gestational age. And it doesn't matter gestational age of baby. I mean, all babies, preterm or term babies, they can be categorized into 3 categories. The example is some baby was born at gestational age, let me say 40 weeks. So it's full-term pregnancy, but his mother was a heavy smoker, and she smoked more than 40 cigarettes per day. So it resulted in baby's weight at birth equal 2.1 kg, and we understand that his birth weight is less than normal. You remember, on average, birth weight is around 3 kg or at least more than 2.5 kg. And in this case, baby is term but small for gestational age. In another example, gestational age is, let me say, 32 weeks, but birth weight is almost 4 kg. According to gestational age in this particular baby, we can refer this infant to preterm babies, definitely preterm. You remember our definition of term pregnancy. But his weight is too large. What does it mean? We consider that baby is preterm but large for gestational age. How to define if baby can be considered appropriate, large or small for gestational age? We need some references. We definitely need growth charts or tables with defined gestational age and corresponding parameters. I mean birth weight, birth length or head circumference. And we have such tables and growth charts. We can use recommended by international project growth charts named as Intergrowth 21, yeah, or we can use for preterm babies so-called Fenton growth charts by Tennis Fenton, who was the author of that charts. So to resume, we know different categories of infants. We know different categories in preterm babies, and we also can define babies into 3 categories according to their weight to gestational age at birth.